Data Watch. I am your news anchor, Analea Alvarez, and today, our data analysts will present their findings about the study of screen time of college students. Let's begin with our first data analyst, Mr. Roel Nicolai.
Thank you. Our study survey 30 college students from different year level. According to this data, first year student must make up 40% and the second, third, and fourth each represent 20% of the respondents. For central tendency, we compute the mean, median, and mode. To get the average of screen time, we multiply the class mark by its frequency and added the all product and multiply by 30 using the formula of mean equal to summation of f of x divided by n. We identify the median class. 4 to 5 hours used to the formula of median. L plus C, open parenthesis, and n divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency, close parenthesis. This data is substitute to the formula to get 3.1 as the final answer. We use the modal formula. Mode equal to L plus the open parenthesis d sub 1 divided by d sub 1 plus d sub 2 close parenthesis interval. We can substitute this data to the formula to get the 4.9 as the final answer. We will now proceed to the measure of variability and will be here with my co-data analyst, French Kakal.
Thank you, Mr. Nicolas. For variability, we measured how different each student is screen time from one another. We use range, variance, and standard deviation. As we talk about range, we just have a subtract 0.5 as the lowest lower limit, from 7.5 as the highest upper limit, and get 7 hours as the final answer. For variance, we use this formula to measure how far values deviate from the mean. 87.467 as the sum, and we will divide it into 29, as we will subtract 1 and 30 to get 0.3 as the final answer. For standard deviation, we'll just get the square root of the variance and we will get 1.74 as the final answer.
Well presented by our respected data analysts. The variance of 3.02 and the standard deviation of 1.74 indicates that the values are moderately spread out from the average, which falls within approximately 1.74 above or below the mean.
Here in NUST with 2 first year students. How many hours do you usually use your phone each day?
4 to 5 hours.
I usually use my phone or I do screen time most of the time. Usually 18 to 19 hours a day.
Do you feel that high screen, that time affect your school performance?
Of course. Kasi sometimes talagang kahit nagre-review ko, 5 minutes lang mag-i-screen time ako, tapos parang tuloy-tuloy na, hindi ko na nakikita yung oras na pala lumilipas. Most of the time, parang hindi ko na nagagawa yung mga activities ko, which is negatively impacting my academic screen time.
Para sa akin naman is, din. Bilang mabilis ma-distract, parang pag nakakita ko sa cellphone ko ng interesting na bagay, and pagpapatuloy-tuloy na yun, and makakalimutan ko na yung ginagawa ko sa
Thank you, Mr. Nicolas. This graph shows the impact of high screen time to the academic performance of college students. Majority of the students voted somewhat helpful with 14 out of 30 students. This study shows that screen time must be managed carefully to avoid negative impacts on our learning. Again, this is Analea Alvarez. Thank you for watching.